Hey guys, today we are making some pepper shrimp. So this is what I have. I fell for this because it was giving me Jamaican pepper shrimp, street shrimp. So I started by washing my shrimp, and then this is all the powdered season. I did use a bit of oil to combine all of that. So you can just pause to see all the seasoning that I had here. So I went ahead, seasoned, and allowed this to sit for about 15-20 minutes. Then I had some onions, and then these are all my peppers and added seasonings that I went ahead and put in there. And then I started with some butter, and I did have some lemon on the side. So I put a little oil and butter there, and then I started with just my onions and peppers. And guys, this thing was smelling up. The pepper was so strong, I thought I wasn't gonna make it. So I went ahead and added all of my shrimp in here, and I think overall I cooked this for about 7 to 8 minutes. So I had it cooking for 3 minutes, and I started stirring, and then I went in and just allowed it to sit. This was about at the 5-minute mark. Then I went in with some vinegar with the rest of that seasoning from the pot, and then I put a little bit of sugar in there just to calm that vinegar taste down. I added my lemon juice in here, and then I allowed this to just simmer for about a minute, and this was the outcome. I did add some paprika here, and then this was it, guys. When I tell you this thing was great, this just reminded me of home. Check the description for more.